Hey everyone, Nathan King, the real estate broker here. Today I want to talk about something that can make a huge difference when selling your home. But surprisingly, many sellers have never even heard of it. It's called the pre-listing inspection. And in our experience, it's one of the smartest things a homeowner can do before putting their house on the market. Most sellers assume that the inspection is something that happens after they accept an offer from a buyer. And while that technically is how many transactions work, waiting until escrow for the buyer's inspections can sometimes create unnecessary stress, renegotiations, and even cause a transaction to fall apart. And that's why we often recommend that sellers consider doing inspections before the home is listed. Before we get into all the details, if you find these types of videos helpful and want more straightforward advice about selling homes and navigating the real estate process, make sure to subscribe to the channel. My goal in these videos is to help homeowners understand how the process really works so they can avoid surprises when it's time to sell. Let's start with something many homeowners don't realize. When you sell a home in California, sellers are required to disclose issues they are aware of with the property. That's an important distinction. The law does not require you to disclose things you genuinely do not know about. However, the reality is that many homeowners simply don't realize what the current condition is of their house. You may live in a home every day and everything seems perfectly fine, but there are often issues that develop over time in areas that most homeowners rarely inspect closely. For example, termites can often be present in areas where the damage is not immediately visible. Gutters may be clogged or not functioning properly. We often see wood rot develop along fascia boards and around wooded siding, especially in older homes. Sometimes there's slow leaks or moisture issues under the sinks that homeowners never really noticed. Another common issue we see during inspections is dual pane windows failing, where the seals have failed, which causes the cloudy and foggy appearance between the glass. None of these things necessarily mean the home is in bad condition. In fact, many homes have a few items like this simply due to age and normal wear. The problem is that sellers often don't learn about these issues until the buyer conducts their inspections in the middle of escrow. And that's when the dynamics of the transaction can suddenly change. When a buyer receives their home inspection report during escrow, it often includes a long list of items. Even relatively minor issues can look intimidating when they are written out in a detailed inspection report by a professional home inspector. Buyers sometimes start to worry that the home has more problems than they expected. This is the point in the transaction where buyers frequently begin asking for repairs, requesting credits, or trying to renegotiate the purchase price. In some cases, buyers even get nervous and cancel the transaction entirely. This is exactly the type of situation we try to avoid whenever possible. And this is where a pre-listing inspection can completely change the experience for both the seller and the buyer. A pre-listing inspection means hiring a professional home inspector before the home ever goes on the market. Instead of waiting for buyers to discover issues during escrow, the seller gains an accurate understanding of the property's condition ahead of time. That information is incredibly valuable because it allows the seller to make informed decisions about how to prepare the home for sale. In some situations, the best strategy is to address certain repairs before listing the home. These may be relatively simple items like cleaning gutters, repairing minor wood rot, fixing a plumbing issue, or replacing a window with a failed seal. Taking care of these type of repairs ahead of time can improve the overall presentation of the property and give buyers a greater confidence when they are considering making an offer. However, it's important to understand that doing a pre-listing inspection does not necessarily mean the seller must complete every repair before selling. In many cases, the most valuable part of the inspection is simply gaining a clear understanding of the home's condition. Sometimes we recommend obtaining contractor estimates of formal bids for needed repairs in the inspection report. This allows sellers to present buyers with accurate information about what the repair might cost. Instead of discovering a surprise issue during escrow, buyers already understand the condition of the home and have a realistic expectation before submitting an offer. In some situations, sellers may choose to offer the buyer a credit in lieu of completing the repairs themselves. This means the buyer receives a credit at closing and can handle the repairs after they take ownership of the property. Many buyers actually prefer this option because it allows them to complete the repairs on their own timeline and with contractors they choose. This type of transparency can make a significant difference in how buyers perceive the property. When buyers feel like the seller has been open and upfront about the condition of the home, it builds trust and confidence. They feel like they understand exactly what they are purchasing, and that often makes them much more comfortable moving forward with the transaction. One of the biggest advantages we see in the pre-listing inspection is that it reduces the likelihood of major renegotiations during escrow. When both parties already understand the condition of the property before an offer is accepted, there are far fewer surprises later in the process. Buyers are less likely to ask for significant concessions because the information was already available to them from the beginning. In our experience, transactions where sellers take the proactive approach tend to have a much higher probability of closing successfully. By identifying potential issues early, we can address them calmly and strategically rather than reacting to them during the most emotional part of the transaction. A lot of times during that part of the transaction, the seller's already ordered the movers and scheduled things, and buyers have already locked in their homeowner's insurance. Now, like anything in real estate, there are a couple potential downsides that sellers should be aware of. The first is timing. Scheduling inspections and possibly addressing repairs may require additional time before the home is ready to be listed. If a seller is in a situation where they need to sell very quickly, that timeline needs to be taken into consideration. In certain circumstances, we may conduct the inspections while the house is actively being marketed for sale. The main point is that the inspections are provided to the buyer before they draft an offer. The second negative factor is cost. Inspections do have a cost, and if the seller decides to complete certain repairs before listing, those repairs obviously require an investment as well. However, when you compare those costs to the potential stress and uncertainty of renegotiations during escrow, or worse, a buyer canceling the transaction entirely, many sellers find that doing the inspections up front is well worth it. Before we wrap it up, if you're finding this information helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I share practical insights like this regularly to help homeowners understand the selling process and make confident decisions when it comes time to making a move. So here's the key takeaway. A pre-listing inspection isn't required when selling a home, but in many cases, it's one of the best ways to remove uncertainty from the process. It allows sellers to understand the home's condition, prepare the property properly for the market, and present it to the buyers with complete transparency. And when buyers feel confident about the condition of the property, transactions tend to move forward much more smoothly. If you're considering selling your home and want to know whether a pre-listing inspection makes sense for your specific situation, feel free to reach out. My team and I would be happy to walk you through the options and help you prepare your home for the strongest possible sale. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.